What's going on, YouTube? It is Gottigix back with another video, and today we are test riding my boy Carlos's 2025 GSXR 1000 R, not the regular GSXR 1000, but the R. So as you can see, it's got the big old shiny suspension, but it's the 2025 GSXR 1K R. Can't forget the R. And yeah, he's nice enough to let us go ahead and take it for a quick little spin. So first things first, these gloves are still brand new, so it's kind of hard to get on. But first thing we notice, it's already got the GSXR mod right over here. It took off the muffler instantly. I don't even think he left the dealership without taking that thing off. I think he said, you guys can have that back. But but he's got some pretty tasteful mods already. He's got the mirror deletes, the side markers all flush and everything. So it's a good start to the build. I think it looks amazing in this nice red. But let's go ahead and take it for a test drive. First things first, it's a lot taller than the S1K after I lowered it. But yeah. So and it's I gotta get back used to this. It's different. Let's see. There we go. That quick shifter is crispy, man. It's a little different because I got my bike GP shift, so I had to think about it for a second. But it's got that quick shifter is crispy, man. Let's see. Let's take a let's go back down to first. Take a little loop-de-loo here. Go around. All right, let's go right over here. Man, I like this windscreen he's got on here. The zero gravity windscreen. It's like, wah, bop. It looks good, man. This thing's tall, dude. Let's see. This thing's super tall. It's like super torquey too. It's stock tuning, it's stock pretty much everything. It does feel kind of a little stiffer, I'd say. Maybe it's like the setting he's got, but it like how do I explain it? It definitely feels a little stiffer, but yeah, I don't know how to explain it. Y'all hear that quick shifter, man? I hope it's coming through on the mic, man. That's the downshifts. Very, very crispy. And then listen to the quick shifts. Ready? That's so crispy, man. I love it. Once he gets a full exhaust on this thing, it's gonna go crazy. I like this, man. Heck yeah. Feels good. I don't want to go too crazy. It's not my bike, but do want to feel it out a little bit. Let's do a little Yui because I don't know this neighborhood. Only got 1,000 miles, just barely broken in. The power just feels really smooth the whole way. It does feel very tall though, but that's just because I'm used to my S1K that's slammed. So, but yeah, I like it. Man, that shift, like the quick shift is so like crisp. Like, listen. Yeah, it sounds so good. This is very different than the S1K for sure. but it does indeed feel good. I gotta remember I've got a rear brake on this thing, and dude, look at like, I can flat foot it, like I'm flat footing right now, but it is so tall, dude. Let's go this way. It is very different for sure. It's definitely a completely different bike than mine. It would definitely take some getting used to ride this thing. Pause. But I like it a lot. This thing's awesome. Got the S1K just chilling. Let's park this thing up real quick. Dude, it's very, very different. It's very different. It's not even remotely close to what I'm used to. It's like, I don't know. It's just completely different. Like,
being
taller, like turning it feels different. Like just trying to, like, you know, lean and stuff. It just feels different, man. It's not the same. I like it, but it's, you know, it's different. It definitely would take, that, and like my bike is GP shift. So switching over to regular shift is such a, like, it like fucks with my head.
Like a little bit, bro.
So let's take a closer look at the way this Gixxer looks. Like I said, it's very clean right now, very clean. 2025, not too much abuse yet. It will get that soon, but not anytime soon. So, but it's awesome, man. He's got it very tastefully modified this time. I know he said he was getting exhaust pretty soon. He's got the like I said, the Gixxer mod for now, but you know, he's gonna get the works. He's not gonna go stretched yet, but he's definitely gonna do some tasteful mods. It's coming soon. But really appreciate Mr. Carlos for letting me take this thing out for a test ride, do a little review on it. Not too long of a video, but something for you guys if you guys are looking for, you know, 2017 plus Gixxer 1000. They just came out with the 2026s, and they're all the 1000Rs. They don't make the base model anymore, which is, you know, whatever. But yeah, if you're looking to get a 2017 plus Gixxer 1000, I think it's a good deal for sure. It's a good starter bike. It's got pretty much all the features. This already comes with a quick shifter up and down. It's got the digital dash, which I don't know if I showed you guys earlier, but it's got the digital dash on there. Electronic suspension front. I don't know if it has it in the rear, but it's got at least the electronic suspension in the front. Maybe, I think it's electronic suspension. Well, it's got some type of Showa suspension. Like I said, I don't know if it's electronic or not, but big old Brembos right in the front. But yeah, it's a really good bike, man. I like it. Maybe I want to build one of these one day. Maybe not new, not like 2025 new, but 17 plus, you know, something around there. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss an upload. And until next time, bye.